Hi everyone, it's Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. Happy Friday. Thank you so much for joining me. In today's video, we are playing with acrylic markers. I forgot to film an intro, but here you go. So here's the ones I did yesterday with the Sharpie acrylic markers, which have high rating, but look, it peeled even just with one stroke. And this is like, I think this is 100-pound, maybe even 120-pound cardstock, and it looked a bit better here, but I had to go over each one like 2 or 3 times, and I was just like, eh. Plus it wasn't very fine tipped. So I got on Amazon today, as you do, once I got my refund. And I found these. This one has a fine and a brush. This one has a brush and a fine. Okay, they both have brushes and fine. So I thought we would check them out. Oh, it's got silver and gold. Oh, good. Because I was like, I kind of wanted some metallic ones. And I'm like, Misty, I mean, are we really going to use this many markers? I think I will. Again, I think I mentioned in the video, and don't even quote me on which one I said it in. I want to use other things besides Copics to color with you guys. Because Copics are expensive. Ohuhus are expensive. Olos are expensive. Alcohol markers are expensive. Now you can get some more inexpensive brands for sure, but I've mentioned before, I don't want to invest in a whole new set of alcohol markers. Let's test these first. This one has like 40 colors, I think. 30 colors. So this bigger set I think was $13, and the smaller set was like $8, and then I had to buy a Elf lip stain. 10 out of 10, do not recommend. To get free same-day shipping, and that's how we got here. So let's try these on white and black. Embossing powder got everywhere. Okay, so you're supposed to be able to use it on everything. Let's try something kind of similar. Maybe, are these? You guys seeing that? They look exactly the same. Okay, so we have the fine tip. And then we have the brush. Ooh, I like that. That's nice. Where's one that I have open? The white one looks so bad because I didn't melt all the powder, which I don't know why, but I didn't. This is just black on black. I mean, clear on black. I thought it would look really cool. That's actually pretty not bad, but these look like the exact same color. Oh, we didn't try it on. And of course, there's no number. $15.91, $15.91, $15.91. Ah, okay. The undertone is different. The caps are the exact same. Where's the silver and the gold? Silver and gold, silver and gold, silver and gold decoration. That actually looks more brown. Is this brown? Greeny brown? Where's the gold? You can tell this one is silver. Am I missing the gold? Is it and or? Oh wait, I'm looking at the wrong. No, it is supposed to have a gold. Which one of these is gold? I guess I'm gonna have to reach out because none of these look like. Wait. Found it. That's like more like a bronze, but okay. Let's take a look at it on. The silver is a bit more impactful, I think. Let's try some of these lighter colors. We've got this green. Oh, that's like almost neon. Remember when I told you guys my handwriting sucks? My handwriting really does. I do like the brush out of these. They dry instantly. Okay, okay, okay. Oh, do we have another color that we can see how it looks? Okay, yeah, the more kind of like bright, it is drying down, but that blue stayed really vibrant. You can see that not quite as vibrant. Oh, it's pretty. Okay, I think that's all the testing I'm going to do on these. This is a set of 24. Gingerbread. That's an interesting color. Is this the one that had... Oh, this one's... These are not new. Oh, I hate when they do that. These are not new. That's disappointing. Did I cut that? No, I didn't cut that. I mean, I guess as long as they write, it doesn't hurt. So they both say brush and fine tip. It's a 1mm tip, water-based ink. You can kind of see the colors here. I hear a lot of people talk about these. This is the reason why I bought these. Okay, the silver isn't really differentiated. This one has a white. Oh, the other one did too. Is this the silver? That, ooh. I like that silver better for sure. It's like a bit more glitter. I really wanted some glittery ones. But again, I was like, Miss, you can't buy all of them. Seriously, you cannot buy all of them. I don't know which one is the gold one. Is it this one? Yeah, this has to be it. Oh. Yeah, that one's dried up. Okay, I just have to go back. That's boo. Alright friends, I'm going to share with you coloring. Now I'm not going to talk through this whole entire thing, but I am going to share with you. I colored this in 2 different colorways. I did one that would have gone with the Hey Cupcake paper from Doodlebug if I can ever find it. And then the other one I did to go with that other birthday kit that I have. What was it called? The orange one with the green and the blue. and the yellow. So that one will come after this. But these markers are a 10 out of 10 would recommend. I didn't have any issues with them pilling like I did with the Sharpie markers. The color goes on really smooth. It goes on really opaque with just one layer. You can layer it up. There are a couple of times I went in and added another layer. You'll see at the end, I'll bring in the white and add in a little highlight, etc. So I really do like these. They did come in more colors. I got, like I said, I think I got the medium set, like the middle, but I will have this set particular link down below. I can't tell you about the other set. I sent them back, got a new set, and I haven't had a chance to sit down and try them. So, but these are perfect. I love them. 10 out of 10 would recommend. It makes me want to look into this brand and see what other kind of markers they have. So yeah, anywho, so the rest of this video is going to be me coloring. I stamped this stamp set. This is from Hero Arts. It's some sort of balloon bouquet. I showed it in the Project Use Your Step intro from Wednesday. I didn't turn this into cards, but I stamped this in Memento Tuxedo Black. So these worked really well with Memento Tuxedo Black. I'm sure they would work well with some other inks as well. I don't know about dye-based ink. Maybe that will have to be something that we try later down the road. But yeah, so be sure to watch till the end. Again, I will share you in real time both images done. And again, maybe I can't remember if I threw them away or not, which is really bad to say, but this was a couple of weeks ago now, and I've done a couple of big cleaning sprees. So if I can find them, I'll turn them into cards, and if I can't, we'll try doing this again with a different stamp set later down the road. So if you haven't already, be sure to sign up for my mailing list. The announcement comes next week. I can't believe it comes next week and we're already there, but it comes next week and I am so excited. What else? Be sure to check out Planning with the Elf. I have a Plan With Me going up this Sunday, and then I will have a haul next week and my March setup for Planning with the Elf. And then next week here, I will also have a haul on Wednesday, and then on Friday, we'll make a birthday card. So I'm so excited. Thank you so much for being here. I really do appreciate you. Be sure to say hi in the comments for the engagement. Plus, I just like talking to you guys in the comments when I can get a chance to get in the comments to talk to you guys. But yeah. All right, friends. I hope you have a good day, night, week, wherever you are. I love your faces, and I will see you Sunday on Planning with the Elf, Wednesday here. Okay, bye for now.